So in this video I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of a split cup. So the first section I've kept the colors separate in each channel. So in the center I've got magenta, and then I've got pink on the right and a metallic lavender on the left. And then in the second section of this video I've basically layered my colors in each chamber, because I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison and see how they turn out, what they look like, and I think pretty much which one I prefer. And then I thought I would show you guys the results. Just wanted to come in for a little bit closer so you get to really see the detail. Excuse me. But I mean, like this little corner here I think is lovely. I'm glad I switched around the cup. That centerpiece is going to look amazing when it dries. So I do think keeping the colors separate does look really pretty. But now I'm experimenting with layering the colors in each chamber of the split cup. So what I've done is I've kept the same color combination, so it's pink, magenta, metallic, lilac, and I've layered it pink, magenta, lilac, pink, magenta, lilac in each chamber of the split cup, and then we can see the results at the end of the pour, and I guess decide with a side-by-side comparison which one we actually prefer. So there's the aerial view of it. I think I'm leaning towards the separate colors being in the separate chambers. And it kind of brings out those real blocks. I do actually quite like that look. But it was interesting to do it as an experiment, and you know, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I think I like both. But I think I'm leaning towards the individual colors, not so much the layering.